Wakey, wakey, rise and shine. Good morning. Today is the 20th of November, Monday, the 20th of November, 2017. Hey girl, let's see me at Clinton's. I work at Clinton's in Stratford. Yeah, Westfield. You black girl will call to me lady gangster and take my video when me at thief Clinton Street candles, Yankee candles. Send the police to me, girl. So when I cangle me, this is when I cangle me put in my bag. You send her my video. You never know, say your queen where entertain your queen lady gangster was a shoplifter. Yes, I am. Because your government now give me a job and I have my 5 feet to them to live and I hear them now sell so I got teeth too can go. So send the police come here. It's 29 time I got prison girl. I don't have no shame. Look for my girl. Government take the whole of my furniture them and put me. So them give me blood clot government furniture. My nice furniture them in a store. So why is my teeth too can go? In all man of me that I kill up myself and I argue with this girl. But in truth and the matter is 1,000 million trillion people shoplift at their time. The security, the police, now the store owner not allowed to take a video clip or a picture of someone and send it out to the public. That's breach of my privacy. So what I'm a thief, me a shoplifter. Because coming in a shop, come thief, me not got nobody I got thief, them things that's different. But back to my argument. Let me tell you this to the girl, the 20th of November, me not arrest until them sack you. Them a fire you. See, me get sentenced, you have to get fire. To send on the video, you hear you? Queen Lady Gangster. I didn't hear me like. So you like how my name sound. So you feel like you can pull me out, draw me out. I make the whole world see me, but girl, that not shame me. That just turn me on more. But you see, you will violate your workplace to send out the video. Watch me, you girl.
Gangsta, well alright. Gangsta broke 1, 2, 3, shot 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and more. Always the buzz and she gone to the door. 2 gangsta bitches like she won the store. Security can't stop her for sure. You sure? Of course I'm sure. She have more and more. She have more and more for sure. Can't drive.
You know, say I'm ready, so I represent the straight beat.
Hey, I'm not acting representing.
Yeah, man. Conscience I represent, and this is street beat. Mad, you know. Keep it locked and don't move it. Yeah. So.